Is that not no?
Yes, yes.
If I'm living there this way, my husband is in trouble. Where could I help you?
What happened?
People should help you. He went to Abuja this morning. I remember he said his friend Ogiri from Abuja called him. My husband is in trouble. I can't get this so. I can't get this so. My husband is in trouble. My husband is in trouble. All his work has finished off. People should help me. My husband is in trouble.
No,
In trouble.
Madam, I don't know. I saw something this evening that he granted media this thing. I don't. So I'm even surprised that.
He's in trouble. He's in trouble. I don't know. He's in hospital. They have killed him. I don't know if he's alive. Why could I help me? Why could I help me? Why could I help me? Why could I help me?
All right. Okay. No problem. No. It's okay. You're sure you're not aware of this is action?
I don't know. He told me in the morning that his friend, I remember, he said so.
No, you know why I'm asking? You know why I'm asking? At least there's nothing that happens that he doesn't share with you. Where have I offended him? And where will he cook this level of lies against me? Where have I offended you people? After everything I've done for you people?
He's in trouble. He's in trouble. So please help me. I don't know if I can find him. People should find Ogiri's number. Let him provide my husband though. I remember he said Ogiri from Abuja. Now he said ticket to come this morning, no. I said we'll have Monday, Sunday. I'm the chairperson of the Monday, Sunday. Where will you go now? Where will you go now? Leave me here. How will I do this program alone in the church? He said he's coming back today. He's coming back today. Oh, Jesus Christ. How God please help me. Help me, my husband is in trouble. Help me, please.
It's okay. Were they threatening him or what? Because I know at least.
I don't know that. Jesus, he's in trouble. This is not Igbo. He's in trouble. His phones are switched off. I sent a message on WhatsApp. I said, you're in a hostage. I said, why would you do this to me? He did not respond, though. I have been calling since, though. I'm finished, though. Where is my husband? Ogiri provide my husband, though. Ogiri provide my husband.
It's okay. It's okay. No problem. We'll try and see what we can do. No problem.
Oh, God, please help me.
It's okay.
Please help me.
No problem.
Please
You
help
know,
me.
anything anybody is doing in this life, if you do a good, you will meet good. If you do bad, definitely you will get your reward for the evil. You know my relationship with him. I don't know where I've offended him that he will cook this level of lies against me.
It's not Igbo. It's not. He cannot. He cannot. He decided that he cannot sign anything against you. He decided that he cannot sign anything against you. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, when he came back, I said,